The Lykus Titan M350 case is designed to securely accommodate the DJI Mavic 3 Pro or Classic, along with the DJI RC Pro and DJI RC, ensuring all your essential drone components are well organized during travel. This case boasts precision-cut foam made from a special upgraded type of EVA, which provides superior shock absorption and pressure protection compared to traditional materials. Crafted from durable polypropylene, the exterior of the case offers exceptional resistance to shocks and pressure, ensuring the safety of your gear in various environments. The Lykus Titan M350 case is SGS certified with an IP67 rating, making it watertight and capable of withstanding accidental drops into water, safeguarding your equipment from moisture damage. With dimensions of 16.1 inches by 13.2 inches by 6.9 inches, this case is spacious yet portable, and its weight of 5.1 pounds makes it easy to carry. The thoughtful design includes space for up to 5 batteries, a charging hub, charger, cables, filters, propellers, and additional accessories, making it a comprehensive storage solution for drone enthusiasts.